Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Right here we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see in this device it is at the very bottom of the list. So now all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system, which is right above the About Phone. As you can see here we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can, for example, disable USB audio routing. You can change window animation scale, show key presses, so the visual feedback for taps. Here we've got the options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi here, etc. So basically, to turn on the specific feature, you have to simply find it and tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, for example, in the transition animation scale, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Your device will need to be restarted, so simply tap on restart. Your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.